Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Jim. We're looking at his beautiful 1970 Chevrolet C10. Step side, shorty, pickup truck. Here we go. Just gonna do a quick running video. Just give me 2 minutes of your time. I wanted you to hear this. 461 cubic inch V8 engine. Wowzers. We got a 70 hot rod here. Chevrolet. ABS2, 2-barrel carburetor, roller rockers, performance, RPM, air gap, intake manifold, finned aluminum valve covers, finned aluminum air cleaner. We got MSD, plug wires, Mallory, distributor. This one was done right. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, cowl induction hood. He's got the original if you need it. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Jim does not cut corners. Daytona shifter, tilt steering, center console. He's got a tachometer in there. Got a retro sound unit. Nice bucket seats. 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi traction gears. I'm not sure if it gets any better than this. This is a high quality build. Jim knows what he's doing. We got serious business here. You like these trucks like I do, you should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. Check out my inventory at Hemmings. ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics, Classic.com, and my own website. You want the best of the best, here we go. This thing is beautiful. Lifetime California truck. All original panels besides that hood and that tailgate. No rust or rust repair ever. Appreciate you looking at my stuff. Look forward to talking to you soon. Call, text, email, anytime. I am the best and possibly only licensed classic car dealership in the North State. I have a great consignment program and we are selling classic cars. I appreciate you looking at my video and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.